Doing business God's way, honesty, fairness, and integrity. Welcome to Truthfully Yours. Can you be a successful business person and a faithful Christian? Absolutely. Today, we're talking about how to live out your faith in the marketplace with honesty, fairness, and integrity. Ang Biblia ay may maraming sinasabi tungkol sa kung paano natin dapat isagawa ang ating sarili sa negosyo. Hindi lamang ito tungkol sa paggawa ng pera. Ito ay tungkol sa paggawa ng pagpaparangal sa Diyos sa lahat ng ating mga ginagawa. Sinasabi sa Proverbs 11:1, ang timbangang daya ay kasuklam-suklam sa Panginoon, ngunit ang timbangang matuwid ay kanyang kaluguran. Ibig sabihin nito na kinapupuutan ng Diyos ang hindi pagiging tapat at pandaraya. Gusto niya na tayo ay maging patas sa ating mga pakikitungo. Sinasabi sa Micah 6:8, kanyang ipinakilala sa iyo, o tao, kung ano ang mabuti at ano ang hinihingi ng Panginoon sa iyo, kundi ang gumawa ng katarungan at ibigin ang kaawaan at lumakad na mapagpakumbaba na kasama ng iyong Diyos. Ibinubuod ng talatang ito, maging makatarungan, maging mabait, at maging mapagkumbaba. Ang mga ito ay hindi lamang magagandang ideya. Ang mga ito ay mga utos. So what does this look like in real life? Example number 1. Honesty in advertising. Don't make false claims about your products or services. Be truthful and transparent. Example number 2. Fair pricing. Don't take advantage of people or charge exorbitant prices. Treat your customers with respect. Example number 3. Integrity in contracts. Honor your agreements and commitments, even when it's difficult. Example number 4. Treating employees well. Pay fair wages, provide a safe working environment, and treat your employees with dignity. Factual claim. Studies show that companies with strong ethical values often have better long-term success and customer loyalty. Being a Christian in business isn't always easy. You'll face temptations to cut corners or compromise your values. But God will give you the strength to do what is right. Action number 1. Seek God's guidance. Pray for wisdom and discernment in your business decisions. Action number 2. Find Christian mentors. Connect with other business people who share your values and can offer support and accountability. Action number 3. Be a witness. Let your actions speak louder than words. Show the world that you can be successful and ethical. God cares about all aspects of our lives, including our work. By conducting our businesses with honesty, fairness, and integrity, we can honor Him and be a light in the marketplace. What do you think? How can we live out our faith in the business world? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what other topics you want us to explore on Truthfully Yours. Thanks for watching. God bless you.